Hello, everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to set up a learning management system for your coaching center or online academy using the Course 37 website. And this setup is completely free. You can use the free trial for 14 days. So I'm going to show you how you can very easily set up a learning management system plus a website for your coaching center or online academy. When you click Start Free Trial, it takes you to the sign up page. There you can start with your name, mobile number, or email, and a password. Or if you prefer, you can sign in with Google. I'm doing it with Google, so I selected one of my emails. Then it brings me to the Create Your Organization page. Here I'll give a name for my organization. Let's say Best Coaching. So I put the name Best Coaching. Then it assigns me an address like bestcoaching.course37.com. And that is going to be your website. Later on, if you want, you can add your own bestcoaching.com or any other custom domain. Here you must click I agree to the terms and conditions and privacy policy, and then we'll create the organization. After creating the organization, it brings us straight to the dashboard. On the dashboard, you'll see that you have 7 steps to complete. Once those 7 steps are complete, our setup is done. So look, the first one is set up your website. Let's go to set up your website. Here we have to give some details about our website. We've already given the name. I said Best Coaching, then your tagline, whatever it is that you use. Here I can put my phone number, or I can hide it, or I'll just put the address in. I put an address. I put in a number. Then here I can upload my logo. There, I've uploaded this logo for now. If your logo has a transparent background, then you click Skip Crop, and it takes it with the background. And for the favicon, I just selected the logo itself. Then here it asks me to select my social media pages. So I'll skip that for now. Let's go to Next. So, what will the website look like? It's showing me a layout like this. This could be a theme. If I want my website to look like this, then I can select it. And I can always change it later. Let's say I want to change this here. So here I wrote, Welcome to Best Coaching. We'll change this later. For now, let's keep what it gives us. Let me look at a few more. This one looks pretty good. So since I like this one, I'll keep it. And how the courses are displayed, all of that you can change later. So for now, I'll keep it as it is and move on to Next. After that, look, a lot of pages get created for us. Homepage, courses page, product page, then course detail page, and we'll have the option to customize all of them. Then again, our refund policy page, terms and conditions page, privacy policy, about page, every page has been auto-created. So if I want to edit the homepage of the website, I'll go here. There is, our homepage is here. If I click here, I can click on any of this text and change it from right here. There are some styles we have here. For example, this is one style. This is another style. There are many styles here. You can switch through them and see which one you like. And if I want, for example, this is how it looks on desktop. This is how it looks on mobile. This is the mobile view. If I click preview, then this preview is exactly how it looks on my mobile. Our website setup is complete. So if I click visit website, then our website, the one called Best Coaching, if I go to this website, look, the website I just set up is already live. But I haven't set up any courses yet. So if I go to courses, I'll see it's empty. There's nothing. And everything else is more or less fine. So now let me show you what we have to do next. We need to set up a curriculum. To set up the curriculum, we'll go here. If I explain this a bit theoretically, curriculum means the education level that you teach. Yes. So here, if you want, you can use import curriculum. Import curriculum is right here. So you start with one, and you can update it later. Say you teach HSC students. Then HSC curriculum means all the subjects and every chapter of every subject. Yes, our system pulls in all those chapters automatically. Let's say all the chapters of physics and say all the topics in those chapters, all of it gets pulled in from here. So for now, I've imported the SSC curriculum here. Later, you can add to it, or you can add whatever you like here. You can create your own from scratch. And if you want, you can go here and change it in full JSON form as well, meaning in a text editor form. And then if you want, you can change this text with AI too. So for now, we set up the SSC curriculum. Now, let me go back to the dashboard. Now it shows curriculum setup complete. Now we have to assign our tags. Tags are the categories of your courses. So let's say you do admission or SSC, or you teach a science course, whatever categories are possible. So I put in a category science, that's one category, a science category. Then for the other ones we have, let's create a commerce category, commerce. So I created a commerce category. After that, what we have to do is create your first course. We have to go here. So now we have to create a course. These courses will show up here for us. Right here. So I'm going to set up a course here. So here in Add Course, if I create Add Course, here we have a number of steps. Basic, pricing, schedule, meaning at what times the course classes will run. What data we'll collect for enrollment, highlights. So let's start from basic. So I started an SSC course. I'm creating a final revision course for SSC 27. So here there are two course types. One is batch live, meaning cohort live sessions, and the other is self-paced. Self-paced is, say, you're teaching programming. Let me give an example. Then the thing will be much clearer. Let me go to my demo website, this demo website here. There are two kinds of courses here. For example, this one is self-paced. So if I go into this course, if I enroll here with my account, I'm already enrolled here. Self-paced means, say, the skill-based courses you have. Say you complete a module, then at the end it gives you a certificate. Let's say you're learning Python, or you're learning guitar. So as you learn each one, as you finish each module, after completing it, you get a certificate. For example, here I can see that after completing this, I received a certificate. And what are the curriculum items here? Introduction to Setup. So if I go into Setup, then I watch a video here, right? After watching the video, there will be some learning material for me here. There could be some exams here, right? So once I finish these, then I move to the next lesson by lesson. And here anyone can leave a comment if they want. So this kind of course is self-paced. Here, after completing each module, when I complete the last module, I get a certificate. And then there's another type of course, which is cohort-based, meaning here there are live classes, assignments. So let me talk about an academic course, the way CS runs its courses. So these are the cohort-based ones. There will be live classes, that type. So this is a cohort-based class, like this type here, the batch live system type of course. So here we can see videos, quizzes, PDFs. If we go to videos, we can see all the videos in that course. They'll be grouped chapter-wise. So if I click here, then that video plays. And here again, students can log in, comment. There's AI here. They can ask the AI about that video too. So that covers our two kinds of course types. Now, since this course is a revision course, I know it will be live or session-wise. So in most cases, it'll be the batch live system. If you're selling a skill, let's say you teach programming, teach guitar, teach singing, then you'll select the self-paced system. Or if you're a training institute, then you'll use self-paced. So here I'm giving a tag, last-minute prep for SSC 27. That's what I put. Here I can write out a detailed description. So let me do one thing. Let me generate a description for this using ChatGPT so that the thing looks nice. Make a course details in Bangla. ChatGPT will design a detailed description for us here. I'll just copy this. I copy it and paste it here, and we're done. There, it came through with the full formatting. If you want, you can add images and videos here. So images can be uploaded here. You can upload an image and add it here. And for the course, we want a cover photo. So I told ChatGPT, generate a cover image for sports. So ChatGPT is making an image for me. And in the meantime, let me try out the other things like pricing. Then here it'll show 7,000 taka struck through and 6,000 taka, meaning it's a 7,000 taka course, but you pay 6,000 taka. So students will see a 14% discount. After that, we have 3 more options here. Support installment payment. This is if you support installment payments, then you definitely have to enable this. And you have to set a minimum installment payment. Let's say a minimum of 2,000 taka has to be paid. And if there's monthly subscription pricing, then monthly, this is like installments too. But this gets divided monthly, meaning it has to be paid month by month. And product bundle, we'll talk about that later. If you want to give a book or another course along with this course, then you'll select product bundle. For now, I deselect this. Schedule. When will the classes of this course run? I can set these up later if I want. But just to show you, I'm putting them in here. Let's say your classes are on Monday, and there are classes on Tuesday, and classes on Wednesday, or classes on Friday. Then we can select at what times the classes will run. After that, what will we collect from here? We'll collect the guardian's contact. And if you have a community group, say a WhatsApp group for this course, then you can put it here. Then when a student enrolls, they can join the community group. Category it falls under, let's say it's only for science. And we can select science. We can select commerce too. So for now, I only selected science, which is the tag I created a moment ago. So, do we want to show how many people have enrolled? Add highlights. So here I added highlights. ChatGPT has generated our image, so let me download that image. I downloaded it, and then let me come here and upload the image. Okay, so I cropped it and uploaded it. Final revision course. Then I'll click Create Course here, and the course gets created. Now if I go inside the course, I can see the course was created as a draft. If I want, I can publish it. So if I publish it, then this course of ours on our website, if I refresh now, there it showed up. Now, if I go inside this course, I can see that one person has enrolled in this course. That's the admin. What's the start date, the information, and then the details we gave here, and then the image we put here, the image has come through nicely. Then the class schedules we set, they've come through nicely here.